Everyone thinks the best-selling 3D printer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Let's explore the top 5 options under $200 that actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1, ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is a powerful resin 3D printer priced at $159.99. What caught my attention is its impressive 10K resolution and fast printing speeds. If you want ultra-detailed prints without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The powerful LIG Turbo light source ensures balanced lighting, significantly reducing layer lines. Plus, with a build volume of 6.04 x 3.42 x 6.49, it's spacious enough for various projects. Users have rated it 4.4 stars based on nearly 500 reviews, and it's been a hit this past month with over 500 sales. Now, some people complained about the lack of app support for the Photon Mono 4. Here's the thing though, if you're a beginner, this might not matter much to you since the user interface is pretty straightforward. It's still a fantastic printer for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for high-quality prints and have a bit of experience with resin printers. Skip this one if you need a printer that connects to your phone or requires extensive app support. For $159.99, you're getting serious value here. Now, if the complexity of resin printing worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Entina Tina to C. Next up is the Entina Tina to C, a mini 3D printer priced at $189.99. This one's designed specifically for kids and beginners, and the ease of use really caught my attention. If you want a straightforward, fun introduction to 3D printing, this is worth a serious look. The Tina to C is beginner-friendly, allowing you to start your first print in as fast as 8 minutes. The AI-powered Polyprint Cloud app offers a library of over 3,000 models, making it easy to find inspiration for your next project. What's more, the self-cleaning nozzle and auto-leveling features mean you spend less time fixing issues and more time printing. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 300 reviews, it's clear users appreciate its user-centric design. Now I'll be real with you, if you're an advanced user looking for big prints, this might frustrate you. But for kids and beginners, it's a great start. This is perfect for families wanting a fun educational experience. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty workhorse printer. At $189.99, it's an affordable entry into 3D printing. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more flexibility. Product number 3, Entina Tina S. The Entina Tina 2S is another fantastic choice, retailing at $188.62. This printer is also aimed at beginners but packs a bit more punch with its advanced features. If you want to dive deeper into 3D printing without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. The Tina 2S offers a solid user experience with zero setup required. Just unbox and start printing. The auto bed leveling helps ensure easy first layer adhesion, and the Wi-Fi printing capability allows for more flexible project execution. Users have given it a rating of 4.1 stars based on more than 250 reviews, which is impressive. Now, some complaints have come in about the learning curve when it comes to more complex features. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the potential for creativity is huge. This could be a deal-breaker if you want instant results without any setup or learning. This is perfect for those who love DIY projects and have a little patience. Skip this if you need something that's more plug-and-play right out of the box. For $188.62, you're getting a well-rounded machine. Now, if you want something that's tried and true among hobbyists, let's talk about the next option. Product number 4, Creality Ender 3. Next up is the official Creality Ender 3, which you can grab for $175.99. This printer has a huge following, and for good reason. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to get serious about 3D printing. If you want a reliable workhorse, this is worth a serious look. The Ender 3 features a resume printing function that saves your print in case of a power outage. Additionally, it boasts a large build volume of 8.66 x 8.66 x 9.84 inches, allowing for larger projects. Users rave about its precision, with many achieving impressive results thanks to the advanced extruder technology. With a whopping 26,100 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many are satisfied. However, some users pointed out that the assembly can be a bit time-consuming, taking around 2 hours. I get it, this may not be ideal for everyone, but the trade-off is that you learn how the machine works, which is a big plus for beginners. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who enjoy building and tinkering. Skip this if you want something that's ready to go right out of the box. At $175.99, you're getting a great balance of quality and affordability. Now, if you want to stick with the tried and true Ender brand but want a few extra features, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 5, Creality Ender 3 Updated. Finally, we have the updated version of the Creality Ender 3 priced at $179.99. Like its predecessor, it's built to impress, but with some upgrades that make it even better. If you want a refined version of a classic, this is worth a serious look. This model offers exceptional print quality with a precision nozzle that ensures detailed results. It includes a rapid heating build plate that reaches 110 degrees C in just 5 minutes, reducing warping issues. Plus, with a wide range of compatible materials, you can experiment with different filament types. The 3,000+ reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating reflect its strong reputation. Some users have pointed out that it can be tricky to set up and calibrate at first. But if you're willing to invest a little time, the end results can be totally worth it. This is perfect for those who want flexibility in printing materials and quality. Skip this if you're looking for a simpler, no-fuss experience. At $179.99, it remains a fantastic investment for serious hobbyists. So there you have it. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 offers incredible detail for resin lovers. The Antina Tina 2C and Tina 2S are fantastic for beginners and kids, and the Creality Ender 3 continues to impress with its reliability and quality. Each option has its strengths, and at these prices you can't go wrong. Choose what fits your needs best and happy printing.